Well, I can tell you it is delightful to me to be here at Al's in Sherwood because we have a whole host of the family here, and we're going to be talking about a wonderful thing that's occurring, 70 years of being in business. So I'm going to start with you, Jack. Tell me about this.
Well, my dad, Al, started a fruit stand, a roadside fruit stand in Woodburn along the Highway 99E in 1948.
Wow.
And it's just been a growing operation ever since.
And you remember working there with him, don't you?
I was 7 years old, and he put me out on a pickup in front of the store loaded with corn, and I would sell dozens of corn off of that pickup.
And at that time, did you ever think, this is what I'm going to be doing the rest of my life,
Absolutely
and it's going to expand?
No.
Not at all. No. And so there's a lot of things that have happened, and it must make you feel great to know that some of your own children are who I'm going to be talking to next.
Right. They all went out and got educated and then decided they wanted to eat. And they all came back to work with us. So.
Well, so let's go over here to Dorothy. How are you, Dorothy?
I'm good.
So if you've ever come into an Al's, you've seen these containers with this on them, grown by Al's. Mm-hmm. You're kind of responsible for this part of it. Tell me about it and give me some information about it.
So we started growing about 40 years ago.
Wow.
When Dad couldn't find the selection and the quality that he wanted at his store. So he started playing in the dirt and growing his own product. And so it has expanded from that to now we have about 500,000 square feet of covered growing space. And then we also, where we grow all of our soft stem, baskets, edibles, perennials, all of that. And then our latest addition is about 13 acres of pot nursery, where we expanded into growing larger trees and shrubs.
And one of the great things about Al's is you've continued to advance not only in the growing of stuff, but the technology of growing, because that pot growing thing is really a relatively new concept.
It is a new concept, and Dad, were you one of the first to maybe do the pot and pot?
No. I copied. Don't worry, I copied.
Right.
I saw and I copied, but we were one of the first out in this area, but not the first.
Yeah. Right. So we have 17,000 sockets in the ground. 70,000.
Wow.
70,000 sockets in the ground, and where we will grow larger trees and shrubs.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now we're going to skip on over here to Darcy, and you know you do a lot of stuff here, but you're going to tell me not only about what it is that you do at the business, but also about the whole generational thing.
Well, we're super excited. We are the third generation, and the fourth generation is out of school next week.
So up and coming, huh?
They're the fourth generation that are coming to help us are in college right now.
Wow.
And fortunately, they're in colleges where they get out the first week of May, and so they're going to be on the floor working 7 days a week right along with us.
And that's the benefit of having children and a business, isn't it?
Yes, we can work them as hard as we want.
Well, fortunately, now let me skip over here to Mark. Mark, fortunately though, you have need of this because you guys have really taken, as your dad said, a very small thing and expanded it tremendously.
Yeah, we are to the point where last year we added our fourth store. So we have 4 retail stores. We kind of surround Portland. We have our original store down in Woodburn. It's still on the same site that it was originally founded. We have a store out on the east side in Gresham. We have this store here, our largest store is in Sherwood. And then we just added a new store last year in Wilsonville.
Wow. And what I really personally enjoy about Al's is that although we love the retail, we love the shopping, we love what you guys carry, you really do great things for all of the communities you're involved in.
We do. We really try and get involved. I mean, the community is what makes the stores what they are. We're nothing without our customers. And so it is very important for us to be involved in the community. And we try and reach out and be part of each of those individual communities.
And there are still things that are going on even this coming week about things in different stores and areas, so tell me about those.
Yeah, so kind of to celebrate our 70th year, because we started as a fruit stand, we thought it'd be apropos to do a sale on edibles. And so we're having all of our 4-inch edibles are buy 3, get 1 free, all the weekend through Monday. And then on May 2nd, that is our official anniversary. We are having down in our Woodburn store, our original store, we're going to have a stand-up, my grandfather there passing out red rope licorice because that's what so many people tell us that they remember. So we're going to, if you bring in or go to our Facebook page and give us a memory, you can come in and get a free rope.
Wow.
Red rope.
Wow. Well, you know, I've known this place ever since I moved here in 1996, and I've shopped at all of them. It's a wonderful family concept, and we love that they've experienced all this wonderful success. So for more information on this, this interview and the show, you can go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to the Owls website, and also go over to their Facebook page because they're going to have new information all year long about this wonderful celebration. Thank you all so much.
Thank you, William.